Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into an exciting topic that many of you have been asking about. How can you make $100 a day? Whether you're looking to supplement your income, save up for a dream vacation, or even start a side hustle, we've got you covered. So let's jump right into it. Method number 1, freelancing. Freelancing is a fantastic way to monetize your skills and make $100 a day or more. Are you a talented writer, graphic designer, or programmer? There are numerous platforms, such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer, where you can offer your services and land clients from around the world. The key is to highlight your expertise, deliver high-quality work, and build a strong reputation. Method number 2, online tutoring. If you have a passion for teaching and knowledge in a particular subject, online tutoring can be a lucrative option. Platforms like VibeKid, Tutor.com, and Preply connect you with students seeking one-on-one guidance. You can teach anything from academic subjects to musical instruments or even language proficiency. Share your expertise, help others succeed, and earn money along the way. Method number 3, YouTube content creation. In today's digital age, YouTube has become a powerful platform for content creators. If you have a talent for entertaining, educating, or inspiring others, starting a YouTube channel can open up incredible opportunities. Share your passions, create engaging videos, and monetize your content through ad revenue, sponsorships, and merchandise. With dedication and consistency, you can reach that $100 a day milestone and beyond. Method number 4, e-commerce. The rise of e-commerce has revolutionized the way we do business. Whether you're dropshipping, selling handmade crafts, or flipping items, platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and eBay provide a global marketplace for your products. Find a niche, create a stunning online store, and promote your products to potential customers worldwide. With strategic marketing and excellent customer service, you can generate a steady stream of income. Method number 5, social media influencing. If you're passionate about a specific topic or have a charismatic personality, becoming a social media influencer might be your calling. Platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter offer immense potential to build a dedicated following. Collaborate with brands, promote products you genuinely believe in, and leverage your influence to earn money through sponsored content, brand partnerships, and affiliate marketing. Method number 6, affiliate marketing. Host. Method number 6, affiliate marketing. If you have a strong online presence and a knack for promoting products, affiliate marketing can be a lucrative venture. Join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Commission Junction, and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. Share your favorite products, provide valuable reviews, and watch your earnings grow. Method number 7, market research. Method number 7, market research. Companies are constantly seeking insights from consumers like you to improve their products and services. Sign up for reputable market research platforms like SurveyJunkie, Swagbucks, or Toluna, and get paid for sharing your opinions through surveys, product testing, and focus groups. Your valuable feedback not only helps businesses but also adds dollars to your bank account. Method number 8, photography. Method number 8, photography. If you have a passion for capturing moments and a good eye for composition, consider monetizing your photography skills. Websites like Shutterstock, Getty Images, and Adobe Stock allow you to sell your photos to businesses, bloggers, and creatives worldwide. From landscapes to portraits, your camera can become a powerful tool for generating income. Method number 9, fitness instruction. Host. Method number 9, fitness instruction. If you're passionate about health and fitness, why not turn it into a profitable endeavor? Become a certified fitness instructor and offer personal training sessions, group classes, or online coaching. Platforms like Zoom, Udemy, and Trainerize enable you to connect with clients globally, helping them achieve their fitness goals while earning money in the process. Method number 10, print on demand. Host. Method number 10, print on demand. If you have a creative side and love designing artwork or catchy slogans, consider setting up a print-on-demand business. Websites like Printful, Redbubble, or Teespring allow you to create custom merchandise such as t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases without any upfront costs. Showcase your unique designs, market them to a niche audience, and earn a profit with every sale. And there you have it, 10 different methods to make $100 a day. Remember, success in any of these endeavors requires dedication, perseverance, and a passion for what you do. Explore the options that resonate with you, leverage your skills, and don't be afraid to think outside the box. With hard work and determination, you can turn your financial goals into a reality. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.